Can you trade crypto on Charles Schwab? While Charles Schwab has long been a stalwart in the traditional financial world, its stance on cryptocurrency has been a subject of much discussion. Known for its conservative approach and commitment to investor safety, Schwab has taken a measured stance on the volatile digital asset market. One surprising fact is that, despite the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies, Charles Schwab has not yet offered direct trading of individual digital assets. This stands in stark contrast to many other brokerage firms that have embraced cryptocurrencies, offering their clients the opportunity to buy and sell popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, Schwab has not entirely shied away from crypto-related investments. The firm offers a range of indirect exposure options, including cryptocurrency-related exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. These funds invest in companies that are involved in the cryptocurrency industry, such as mining operations, blockchain technology, or cryptocurrency exchanges. While this approach allows investors to participate in the cryptocurrency market without directly owning digital assets, it also introduces additional layers of risk. ETFs and mutual funds are subject to management fees and may not fully capture the price movements of the underlying cryptocurrencies. Additionally, these funds are often more heavily regulated than direct crypto trading, which can limit their flexibility and potentially increase their costs. Schwab's decision not to offer direct crypto trading has been met with mixed reactions. Some investors applaud the firm's cautious approach, citing the inherent risks and volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Others argue that Schwab is missing out on a significant opportunity to serve its clients and stay competitive in the rapidly evolving financial landscape. The debate over whether Charles Schwab should offer direct crypto trading is likely to continue as the cryptocurrency market matures and regulatory frameworks evolve. While the firm's current approach provides investors with a degree of exposure to cryptocurrencies, it also limits their ability to fully participate in the market. As the digital asset landscape continues to change, Schwab will need to carefully consider its strategy and determine how best to serve its clients in this evolving space.